In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email subject when replying or forwarding in Gmail. This is especially useful when a conversation has drifted to a new topic or you want your recipient to quickly understand what your message is about. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on the Gmail web interface. First, open Gmail and locate the email thread you want to work with. Click to open that conversation so you're viewing the message you plan to respond to or forward. Taking a moment to confirm you've got the correct thread will help keep your inbox organized and avoid sending the wrong message to the wrong people. Next, choose how you'd like to respond. In the top right area of the email, click Reply, Reply All, or Forward. This action opens the Compose area for your response right within the thread. If you need to adjust who's included, you can do that after you open the Compose window, but for now, just get that reply or forward box open. Now look for the small drop-down arrow near the recipient information in the Compose section. When you're replying, you'll see it beside the recipient's name line. If you're forwarding, the arrow appears in the From field. This arrow is the key to unlocking the subject editing option. Click that drop-down arrow to open a short menu of additional settings. From that menu, select Edit Subject. Gmail will open a fresh Compose window, separate from the inline reply area. You'll notice the subject line is automatically highlighted, which makes it easy to start typing immediately. Replace the existing subject with a clear, concise line that reflects the content of your reply or forward. This small change can dramatically improve clarity for your recipients and help future searches find the right thread faster. With the subject updated, write your email message as you normally would. Keep an eye on the recipients to ensure the right people are included, especially if you used Reply All. Give your message a quick review. Double check the new subject line to confirm it matches the body of your email and that any attachments or quoted content you need are present. When everything looks good, click Send. You've successfully changed the subject line while replying to or forwarding an email in Gmail. It's a simple tweak that keeps conversations tidy and helps your message stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.